Ever bought a paysafecard and found yourself staring at that 16-digit code, wondering, okay, now what? You're not alone. It's a common question, and today, we're going to walk you through exactly how to redeem a paysafecard code, making online payments as simple as using cash. Think of a paysafecard as digital cash. It's a prepaid voucher that lets you pay online without ever needing a bank account or credit card. This is super useful for privacy, security, and for keeping track of your spending. So, how does it work? There are two main ways to use your code. The first is a direct payment, which is perfect for one-off purchases. All you need to do is go to a website that accepts paysafecard. You can usually find the logo on their payment page. When you get to the checkout, just select paysafecard as your payment method. The site will then prompt you to enter your 16-digit code. Type it in carefully, confirm the payment, and that's it. Your transaction is complete. You can even combine multiple codes for a single purchase if the total is more than one card's value. The second method is using a MyPaysafe account. This is the way to go if you plan on using paysafecard regularly because it's much more convenient. Think of it like a digital wallet for all your paysafecard codes. To get started, you'll need to create an account on the official paysafecard website. Once you're in, you can load your 16-digit codes into your account. The great thing here is that all your balances are combined into one place. When you go to pay at an online store, instead of entering a long code, you just log into your MyPaysafe account with your username and password. This makes paying faster and easier, and it gives you a clear overview of all your transactions. And that's it. Whether you're paying directly with your code or using a MyPaysafe account, you now know how to get the most out of your paysafecard. It's a secure, simple, and effective way to manage your online spending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.